Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to learn a short poem in Afrikaans. The name of the poem is My Maatjie. That means my friend. Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons 'n gediggie leer in Afrikaans. My Maatjie. So listen carefully to the words so that you can also say the poem with me the second time around. My maatjie is nie skaam. Ons speel gereeld saam. My maatjie is baie slim. Hy kan goed boom klim. Well done. Now see if you can say the poem with me this time. Maats, kom ons kyk of jy die gediggie kan saam sê nou. My maatjie is nie skaam. Ons speel gereeld saam. My maatjie is baie slim. Hy kan goed boom klim. I hope you enjoyed the new poem in Afrikaans. Next time we're going to learn a new poem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Until next time, guys, thank you, take care and listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Bye.